I want to ask you something. Did you ever feel like a movie star? No? Well, imagine you were, just for a second. Because if you were, you'd probably have two key people in your corner all the time. You would have an assistant and an agent. Your assistant, which handles the calendar, the chaos, the constant reminder. And your agent, they're out there hustling, finding opportunities, closing deals, making things happen. Well, turns out that artificial intelligence also works pretty much in the same way. We've got AI assistants and then we've got AI agents. And in this segment, we're going to break down how both of them are shaping the future of work and how to tell them apart when they show up in your tech stack. Let's start with the basics. AI assistants are reactive. They're like a helpful assistant waiting for your next command. You give the prompt, they do the task. Ask and you shall receive. Think Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT, they're all on standby ready to help you, but only when you give them the green light. And what powers them is the foundational models which we discussed, specifically large language models or LLMs. These models are trained to understand natural language and respond accordingly. But here's the thing, they need clear instructions. Prompts are their lifeblood. You say, book a meeting with Sarah next Thursday, and boom, it springs into action. But don't expect it to do anything until you ask. Prompt, response, prompt, response. It's a bit like a tennis match between you and the AI assistant. Now, we can make these assistants smarter over time. And that's where prompt tuning comes in, refining the instructions they respond to. And if we want them to get really good at a task, we fine-tune the model itself with specific examples. That's how you get an assistant that's amazing at writing reports or summarizing legal documents. So that's assistants, and now let's level up. AI agents, which are a whole different game. These agents don't wait around, they're proactive. You give them a goal and they figure out how to get there. Think of them as a strategic partner, the ones who says, I got this, and then actually does. Yes, they will start with a prompt, but all they need is one prompt. For example, improve our sales strategy. From there, the agent breaks down the task, gathers data, uses external tools, reasons through options, and gets to work. No babysitting required. And if AI assistants are your helping hands, AI agents are your forward scouts. They navigate ambiguity, coordinate steps, and execute plans all autonomously. They also have another trick up their sleeve called persistent memory. That means they remember what they've done before. So the more they work, the better they get at making decisions. And that unlocks some seriously powerful use cases. Assistants are great for high volume repetitive tasks like customer service, chatbots, or writing code snippets. They reduce manual work and speed up simple workflows. But agents excel in complex environments. Automated trading, supply chain optimization, network monitoring. They synthesize massive data sets, respond in real time, and make decisions that drive real outcomes. Of course, neither is perfect. Assistants can be brittle. Slightly reword your prompt and the results change wildly. Agents can go down rabbit holes, burning compute and cycling through ideas with no clear direction. They're powerful, but they need monitoring, especially in high-stakes environments. Still, progress is moving fast. We've seen advances in reasoning, planning, and memory. Newer models like OpenAI's O1 are performing deeper reasoning directly at Inference-Time, meaning agents are getting smarter without more fine-tuning. So, here's the big picture. AI assistants helps you to go through your to-do list. AI agents will help you move the needle. And the future, it's not about choosing one or the other. It's about combining their strengths. Assistants and agents working together, one handling the details, other driving the big goals, like a well-oiled entourage for your organization.